What's up, virgins, and what's up, YouTube? Welcome to my very first mail time. We have 4 packages laid out, all vintage related. So I went ahead and actually opened all these packages already just so we could save some time. But first package in, we got let's see what we got here. We have an original 80s docking tee. I actually picked this up off of eBay from the original owner. This is the Back for Attack World Tour 87-88. And this is XL on a health knit. Second package, we actually got this overnighted for free. We have a all over print Bob Marley, The Legend Lives On. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air, Bob Marley. This is on a gem tag single stitched all around. This thing is beautiful. Pick these up for a nice deal. Second tee from that package is a Grateful Dead spiral tee. This thing is faded on Fruit of the Loom, distressing everywhere, but that's the kind of stuff that I like. Next package was actually a steal from eBay. We have the Martin Luther King I Have a Dream wrap tee. This one is on the basic wear tag, size large. I think I'm gonna stretch this out a little bit so I can wear it, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. Next package is from Sebastian. I think you guys are gonna like this one. Picked this up for a pretty good price. I already have another one, so figured why not buy the distressed version. We have an all over print Donkey Kong Country, front and back. I'll show you guys my newer one. Here's the new. Here's the distressed. Super crazy. That's it for my first mail time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Virginthrifts. Subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure to like.